Today, you're visiting a bank. Your ATM card stopped working, and you need help. Listen carefully and repeat out loud after each sentence. Let's begin. Repeat after us.
Good morning. How can I help you today? Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, my ATM card isn't working. Hi, my ATM card isn't working.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened?
I tried to withdraw money this morning, but the machine rejected my card. I tried to withdraw money this morning, but the machine rejected my card.
I understand. I understand. May I see your card and ID, please? May I see your card and ID, please?
Sure, here they are. Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check your account. Please give me a moment while I check your account.
No problem. No problem.
Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting. It looks like your card was temporarily blocked. It looks like your card was temporarily blocked.
Blocked? Blocked? Why was it blocked? Why was it blocked?
There were several incorrect PIN attempts. There were several incorrect PIN attempts.
Oh, I think I entered the wrong PIN yesterday. Oh, I think I entered the wrong PIN yesterday.
That explains it. That explains it.
Can it be fixed today? Can it be fixed today?
Yes, I can help you with that. Yes, I can help you with that. I'll need to verify some information first. I'll need to verify some information first.
Okay. Okay.
Can you confirm your date of birth? Can you confirm your date of birth?
It's March 15th, 1998. It's March 15th, 1998.
Thank you. Thank you. And can you confirm your phone number? And can you confirm your phone number?
Sure. Sure.
Everything matches. Everything matches.
That's good to hear. That's good to hear.
Your card has now been reactivated. Your card has now been reactivated.
Great. Great. Do I need to change my PIN? Do I need to change my PIN?
I would recommend it. I would recommend it.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay, I'll do that.
Is there anything else I can help you with today? Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes. Actually, yes. I'd also like to know about your savings accounts. I'd also like to know about your savings accounts.
Of course. Of course. I'd be happy to explain the options. I'd be happy to explain the options.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Excellent job. Now listen to the full conversation again and try to speak along naturally. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in real-life situations.